What's up guys, it's your girl Joy Gitau here. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I know that I'm late to the party, but I don't care because these passion twists are making me feel some type of way. I've been really waiting to do these things, and I tried to make them myself at home using a tutorial that I saw on YouTube, and it backfired the first time.
Una strong
But now it worked, and I got to add a pop of color with this number 30, I think 45 over here, and I'm really loving the results, and I'm feeling myself. I'm like, so if you'd like to see how I managed to make this hair using Darling hair, which is available in Kenya and is very affordable, how many packs I used, I ended up using about 3 packs of the Darling hair. That's 1.5 of the number 1 black, and then 1.5 of the 3045, which I'm going to show you as the video progresses. But I really like these things. If you'd like to try them out, or you'd like to see how we got here, then I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just going to stop talking and let's just jump straight into the video. then I'm gonna stop talking and we are just. Then I'm gonna stop talking and we are just gonna stop. Gonna ni nini?